Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove and reinstall the glass tray in your Whirlpool microwave. Removing and reinstallation of the glass tray is very easy and does not require any tools whatsoever. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you're going to be looking at wanting to remove and reinstall the glass dish is, of course, if there's been something spilled and needs to be cleaned either on top of the surface or in underneath once the tray is removed. As well, maybe the tray has gotten damaged by something falling inside, or it got damaged while washing. In either case, you're going to want to know how to be able to remove it and reinstall it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is just open up the door of the microwave, remove anything that you may have sitting there on the wire rack or on the tray itself. And if you do have a wire rack, you're just going to want to slide that out of the microwave and set it to one side for now. Once that's done, it's just a matter of reaching in with both hands and using your fingertips on the left and right hand side of the tray. Just lift it straight up and bring it straight out towards you. And then you can either clean it, or if you're replacing it, you now have it out of place, so you can do that. Reinstallation is just as easy. You're just going to bring that glass tray into place, lower it down into position onto the bottom of the microwave, and once that's done, you're just going to take and bring your wire rack back in, slide it back into position, and then close the door, and you're good to go. So there you go. It's just that easy to remove and reinstall the glass tray in your Whirlpool microwave.